In a world where every second on the road counts, having the right dashcam isn't just smart, it's essential. Whether you're protecting yourself from insurance fraud, capturing unbelievable moments, or just staying safe behind the wheel, 2025 has brought some game-changing dashcam technology. In this video, we're breaking down the best dashcams of 2025. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel from crystal clear 4K video to safety features and night vision that actually works. If you're thinking of upgrading your car tech, this is the one list you don't want to miss. Number 1, Miofive S1 Ultra. This dash cam has completely exceeded my expectations. The 4K video quality on both the front and rear cameras is incredibly sharp, even at night thanks to the super night vision. I love the built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. It's so easy to access and share videos right from my phone using the app. The G sensor is a lifesaver too. It automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts, which gives me real peace of mind. Plus, the 24-hour parking mode and durable supercapacitor make it reliable in any weather. Honestly, it's one of the best purchases I've made for my car. I did a lot of research before choosing this dashcam, and I'm glad I went with this one. The installation was simple, the footage is super clear, and highly recommended. Number 2, Rove R2 4K Dual. The Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam is an impressive piece of tech that truly delivers on performance and features. With its crisp 4K front and 1080p rear recording, paired with ultra-wide angles, it captures every detail on the road in stunning clarity. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures sharp, vibrant footage even at night, while the ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes transferring and sharing videos a breeze. Built-in GPS adds an extra layer of detail by logging your routes, speed, and location, and the included 128 GB micro SD card is a thoughtful bonus. Its 24/7 custom parking mode with motion and collision detection offers peace of mind when your vehicle is unattended. Overall, this dashcam stands out as a reliable, feature-packed choice for drivers who want top-tier quality and security. The Rove R2-4K Dual Dashcam is a game-changer for anyone who values safety and clarity on the road. Its 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera work together to capture sharp, wide-angle footage that covers every angle. Even in low light, the Sony Starvis 2 sensor produces bright, detailed videos, making night driving much safer. The built-in GPS is a great addition, logging speed and location directly onto your recordings, while the super-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes it easy to download and share clips straight to your phone. With features like motion detection, G-sensor, emergency video lock, and a custom parking mode, this dashcam gives you complete peace of mind whether you're driving or parked. Number 3, Suvcon 3-channel Dashcam. The Suvcon triple dashcam offers impressive all-around protection with its 3-camera setup, covering the front, cabin, and rear for a complete driving record. The 170 degrees front lens, 150 degrees cabin view, and 150 degrees waterproof rear camera work together to reduce blind spots and ensure you never miss important details. Its IPS display provides clear, sharp visuals from any angle, and features like the built-in G sensor and parking monitor add valuable safety by locking footage during sudden impacts or motion while parked. With loop recording, a pre-installed 32 GB SD card, and superior WDR technology paired with infrared night vision, it delivers balanced, high-quality footage day or night. Easy to install and simple to operate, this dashcam is a reliable choice for drivers who want convenience, clarity, and peace of mind on the road. And that wraps up today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Marco Tech for more awesome tech content. I've got plenty more reviews, tips, and gadget breakdowns coming your way, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.